In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy link on Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and now we can get to someone's profile, or we can just scroll our home feed, and once we find a post that we want to share with somebody, first of all we need to copy the link to that particular post. To do that, tap at these three dots, and there right here used to be a function to copy a post, however it's gone now, and right there it says we have moved things around, see where to share and copy link. All you have to do is just tap right here, and that's where we can find copy link option. All we have to do is just tap on it, and it says copied, which means that we have just copied the link to that particular post to our clipboard, and then we can share this link with somebody. We can just open up some messenger, and then in that simple way we can paste that link and send it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.